Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice. Today, I'm working on part 1B of my chicken coop build, focusing on the roof framing. In this video, I'm not building the actual roof yet. I'm showing the full planning and measurement process using my SketchUp model. This helps me finalize all dimensions first before moving to the actual construction. If you haven't seen the earlier parts of this build, part 1A covers the main frame, and parts 1C and 1D show the nesting boxes, all focused on the SketchUp framing and planning stage. You can check them out on my channel or in the playlist linked below. And don't forget, I'm giving away my full chicken coop design plan for free. First, make sure to subscribe to the channel because the PDF works best when paired with my step-by-step videos where I walk you through the entire build. Next, head over to thenovicebuilder.com or click the link in the description below to go straight to my website. Once you're there, click Start Your Coop Journey. That will take you to my complete chicken coop playlist. Scroll down until you see the free chicken coop guide section. To get the guide, you'll need to sign up by entering your first name, last name, and email, then click Download My Free Guide. After you sign up, check your inbox. Your step-by-step PDF will arrive within 24 hours. Inside the guide, you'll get original SketchUp plans, full measurements, complete tools list, detailed materials list, step-by-step build instructions. It's everything you need to confidently build your own chicken coop from start to finish. So let's start with the tools and materials needed for this project. Tools: circular saw, drill, impact driver, tape measure, level, ladder, safety gloves. Materials: 2x4 lumber, roof frame and rafters, 2x4 or 2x3 boards, roof purlins, 10-foot corrugated galvanized metal roofing panels, number 8 by 2-inch deck screws, hurricane ties for rafters, metal roofing screws, and edge trim. Now let's walk through the detailed step-by-step process of this roof framing. Step 1. Roof frame layout. This section begins with building the top plate frame, which serves as the foundation for the entire roof structure. To start, I cut and prepared two 10-foot 2x4 lumber pieces and two 15-foot 8-inch boards to form the roof frame base. These are then positioned along the perimeter, making sure all corners and joints are properly aligned. It's important to ensure that the frame is perfectly square at this stage, as this will affect the accuracy of the entire roof structure. Once aligned, the frame is fastened using 3-inch structural wood screws or framing nails. At each corner, twist hurricane straps are installed at the connection of the roof base frame and the chicken coop frame to provide additional strength and stability. Step 2. Installing the rafters. Now that the roof frame is secured, the next step shows the installation of the rafters. These components will support the roofing material. At this stage, 7-foot, 7 1/16 inch wood bars are prepared and positioned across the top of the structure. The rafters are arranged evenly along the frame, following a spacing of approximately 2 feet, 1 1/8 inches. Maintaining consistent spacing helps distribute the load properly and improves the overall strength of the roof. To secure them, 3 hurricane straps are used at each connection point, 1 at the top plate and 2 at the sloped beam. These connectors provide added stability and help reinforce the structure against strong forces such as wind. Each connection is then fastened using 3-inch structural wood screws, ensuring the straps and rafters are tightly secured to the frame. With all rafters properly spaced, aligned, and secured, the roof structure is now ready for the installation of diagonal bracing and additional structural support. Step 3. Bracing and structural support. This step shows the addition of diagonal bracing to strengthen the roof structure and prevent unwanted movement. At this stage, 2-foot 1 1/8 inch wood support bars are prepared and positioned along the roof rafters. The braces are installed alternately across the structure. This layout helps distribute support more effectively. To secure them, each connection is fastened using 3-inch structural wood screws per joint. These screws are designed for framing applications, providing strong holding power and reliable support. With the bracing in place, the roof structure becomes more rigid and stable, ready for long-term use. Step 4. Metal roofing installation. This step shows the installation of the metal roofing panels onto the completed roof structure. At this stage, the metal sheets are positioned over the entire roof framing, including the purlins, ensuring proper alignment along the roof edges and the correct overhang for water runoff. The panels are secured using number 10 by 1 1/2 inch self-tapping roofing screws with rubber washers for a tight, watertight seal. Screws are placed in the flat sections or valleys of the panels, not on the raised ribs, and anchored into the underlying roof framing to prevent leakage and ensure a secure hold. With all panels properly aligned and fully secured into the purlins, the metal roofing installation is complete and the roof is fully protected. This completes the roof framing plan for my chicken coop. By doing all the measurements and layout in SketchUp first, I can make sure everything is accurate before moving on to the actual build. This is my first time creating a chicken coop roof framing plan using SketchUp. So if you see anything that could be improved, especially at the planning and design stage, let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate your feedback. And if you like this framing design, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support really helps me create more engaging videos and content. In the next part, I'll start building part 1E, where I'll add the walls, sidings, and windows. If you want the complete step-by-step instructions for this project, you can download the free guide at thenovicebuilder.com. And don't forget to follow the channel so you can keep up with the rest of the build. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.